Hey guys, and welcome to my boat tour. Here she is. This is SWANSONG. This is a 27-year-old Hunter Horizon 30-foot boat with a bilge keel. Needs a lot of work, but I'm up for the challenge. Yeah, it only draws 1.2 meters, which enables me to explore shallow areas where I'm going to be kiting. The plan is to do some crazy missions, maybe sail around the UK. But let's go on board and I'll show you around. Starting at the back of the boat, it's got a decent sized cockpit, enough for 4 people if not 6. It's got a tiller which makes the most of the space, and then you have a gas bottle and shore power in this locker, and then in this big locker mostly full of fenders and leisure battery. And then heading down below into the saloon, we've got 2 bunks either side. We've got a chart table on your left with the electric panel and the VHF radio above, and then there's also 2 40-litre freshwater tanks which need replacing, and then we've got this table in the middle that folds out. I've had 6 people around there already. Lots of storage up top, and then behind here, moving into the front cabin, very cozy double, lots more storage underneath, including a cruising chute and a hatch above. Moving into the galley, we've got an electric water pump which is really nice, sink, cool box and a gas cooker, and then some more storage up above. Heading into the aft cabin, into the master suite. Yeah, plenty of space for 2 people back here, lots of headroom. It's currently got my tender in it, but normally that's my favourite place to sleep. And then you've got the head, the toilet, and even a shower which has hot water, which was a massive bonus. But yeah, heading back outside, let's look at the sailing configuration. Looking forwards, you've got a self-tailoring genoa, which is really useful. Everything feeds back to the cockpit. Got a couple of winches that need servicing, and none of the electrics work. That's going to be one of the big projects over the winter. I'd like to get some solar panel, but it is ready to sail. I've already had some great trips on it already, and it sails very well. Check it out. I'm going to do loads of videos about renovating it, but yeah, if you like the tour, please subscribe to watch more boat adventures. There's a lot more coming, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.